The air crackles with anticipation, the scent of gasoline hangs heavy, a sweet perfume from a bygone era. We're at the Great Canadian Vintage Car Showcase, held on a historic fairground transformed into an automotive time capsule. Row upon row of gleaming chrome and vibrant paint, each vehicle a testament to a time when cars weren't just transportation, they were statements. This isn't just a car show, it's a living museum. It's a chance to relive the golden age of motoring, to witness automotive legends come to life. From humble Model Ts to powerful muscle cars, the showcase has something for everyone. Every fender, every hubcap tells a story. But the real magic happens when you step into the Icons and Legends Pavilion. The Icons and Legends Pavilion is no ordinary exhibit. It stands as a testament to the grandeur and elegance of a bygone era, a place where history is not just displayed, but celebrated. It's a sanctuary of automotive history, a curated collection that brings together the most iconic vehicles ever to grace the roads. Here, cars owned by the world's most famous figures stand in silent tribute to their past, each one a piece of a larger narrative that spans decades. These aren't just cars, they are relics of a bygone era, whispering tales of Hollywood glamour, political intrigue, and daring adventure. Each vehicle is a time capsule, preserving the essence of its era. Each car in this hallowed hall has a story to tell, a story interwoven with the lives of legends. From the silver screen to the corridors of power, these vehicles have witnessed history unfold. The air hums with a different kind of energy here, a palpable connection to the past, making it the most coveted corner of the entire showcase. Visitors are often left in awe, feeling the weight of history in every detail. To stand before these vehicles is to stand in the presence of greatness. It's an experience that transcends time, allowing one to feel the legacy of those who once owned these magnificent machines. To imagine Marilyn Monroe behind the wheel of her Cadillac, cruising through the streets of Hollywood, or Winston Churchill being chauffeured in his Rolls-Royce, navigating the political landscape of his time, is to touch a piece of history. These cars are more than just vehicles, they are symbols of an era, each one a chapter in the story of human achievement and aspiration. There she is, in all her glory. Marilyn Monroe's 1963 Cadillac Eldorado. This car is pure Hollywood glamour, a symbol of an era when Monroe reigned supreme. It's easy to picture her cruising down Sunset Boulevard, the California sun glinting off the Eldorado's iconic tail fins. This car oozes luxury, its ruby red paint shimmers like 1,000 rubies. The interior is awash in white leather, plush and inviting. This wasn't just a car for Marilyn, it was an extension of her star power. The Eldorado is a powerful reminder of Marilyn's enduring legacy. It's a symbol of her beauty, her charisma, and her timeless appeal. Next, we have a car that embodies power and statesmanship. Winston Churchill's 1947 Rolls-Royce Silver Wraith. This car is not just a mode of transportation, it is a symbol of an era, a testament to the grandeur and gravitas of one of history's most iconic leaders. This isn't just a car, it's a piece of history. Every curve, every detail speaks volumes about the time it was built and the man it was built for. It's not hard to imagine Churchill being chauffeured through the streets of London in this stately vehicle, strategizing the Allied victory in World War II. The car's presence alone would command respect and attention, a moving fortress of steel and elegance. The Silver Wraith is the epitome of British elegance. Its design is timeless, a perfect blend of form and function that has stood the test of time. Its black paint is polished to a mirror shine, reflecting the world around it like a still pond. This meticulous attention to detail is what sets it apart from other vehicles of its time. The interior is a haven of luxury, with its rich wood veneers and plush leather seats. Every inch of the cabin exudes sophistication and comfort, designed to provide the utmost in relaxation and style. This car was designed for comfort and built to impress. It was a mobile office, a sanctuary, and a statement all rolled into one. This Rolls-Royce is a testament to Churchill's legacy. It stands as a reminder of his leadership, his vision, and his unwavering commitment to his country. It's a symbol of his strength, his determination, and his unwavering spirit. This car is more than just a vehicle. It is a rolling monument to a man who changed the course of history. Section 5 Canadian Flair Pierre Trudeau's Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. Representing Canadian elegance and style is Pierre Trudeau's 1959 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. This sleek silver sports car perfectly embodies Trudeau's charisma and modern approach to leadership. One can almost see him navigating the streets of Ottawa, a dashing figure behind the wheel of this iconic vehicle. The 300 SL is a masterpiece of design and engineering. Its gull-wing doors are a thing of beauty, opening upwards like the wings of a bird. The interior is surprisingly spacious for a sports car with comfortable leather seats and a wood-rimmed steering wheel. This Mercedes-Benz is a testament to Trudeau's impact on Canada. It's a symbol of his sophistication, his forward-thinking vision, and his enduring legacy. Section 6. The King's Ride, Elvis Presley's Ford Thunderbird. Let's be honest, folks, you can't talk about iconic cars without mentioning Elvis Presley's 1956 Ford Thunderbird. This car just screams rock and roll. It's easy to picture Elvis behind the wheel, hair slicked back, sunglasses on, cruising down the streets of Memphis with the top down. This Thunderbird is pure 1950s cool. Its turquoise and white paint job is as iconic as Elvis himself. The interior is like stepping back in time with its white vinyl seats and chrome accents. This Thunderbird embodies Elvis's rebellious spirit and his undeniable charm. Section 7 Spirit of Adventure, Amelia Earhart's Duesenberg SJ. Finally, we come to a car that embodies the spirit of adventure, Amelia Earhart's 1935 Duesenberg SJ. This car is not just a vehicle, it is a piece of history, a relic from a time when the world was still full of uncharted territories and endless possibilities. This car is a powerful symbol of Earhart's pioneering spirit and her love of pushing boundaries. It represents her fearless nature and her relentless pursuit of the unknown, always striving to go further and achieve more. You can almost feel the wind in your hair as you imagine her speeding across the American landscape, breaking records and defying expectations. The roar of the engine, the thrill of the open road, and the sense of freedom that comes with it are all encapsulated in this magnificent machine. The Duesenberg SJ is a true American classic. It stands as a testament to the ingenuity and craftsmanship of its time, a marvel of engineering that still captivates car enthusiasts today. Its long, flowing lines and powerful engine were ahead of their time. The design is both elegant and imposing, a perfect blend of form and function that makes it a standout even among other vintage cars. The interior is surprisingly spacious and luxurious, with plush leather seats and a wood-grain dashboard. Every detail has been meticulously crafted to provide the utmost comfort and style, making it a joy to drive and a pleasure to behold. This Duesenberg is a testament to Earhart's enduring legacy. It serves as a reminder of her incredible achievements and her indomitable spirit, inspiring future generations to dream big and reach for the stars. It's a symbol of her courage, her determination, and her unwavering belief in the power of dreams. This car is more than just a mode of transportation. It is a beacon of hope and a symbol of what can be achieved when one dares to dream and takes bold steps towards making those dreams a reality. Section 8, The Art of Automotive Resurrection. The Icons and Legends Pavilion isn't just about admiring these automotive treasures, it's also about understanding the painstaking work that goes into preserving them. Throughout the showcase, skilled mechanics demonstrate the art of automotive resurrection. These aren't just mechanics, They're artists, historians, and surgeons all rolled into one. They meticulously restore each vehicle to its former glory, using a combination of traditional techniques and modern technology. Watching them work is like witnessing a masterclass in automotive restoration. From engine rebuilds to paint restoration, they breathe new life into these automotive works of art. They ensure that these vehicles continue to inspire and captivate generations to come. Section 9. Preserving the past for future generations. The Great Canadian Vintage Car Showcase isn't just an event, it's a mission. It's about preserving automotive history and sharing it with the world. It's about educating new generations about the craftsmanship, the innovation, and the sheer beauty of these vintage vehicles. Every car here has a story to tell, a story that deserves to be heard. The showcase ensures that these stories continue to be told, inspiring future generations of car enthusiasts. It's a reminder that the love of cars transcends generations. It's about keeping the passion for these cars alive and kicking, ensuring that they continue to grace the roads for many years to come. Section 10. The Grand Parade, a symphony of chrome and steel. As the sun begins to set, casting long shadows across the fairground, it's time for the grand finale, the parade of vintage cars. One by one, these automotive masterpieces roar to life, their engines humming a symphony of chrome and steel. The parade is a sight to behold, a cavalcade of automotive history, each vehicle more impressive than the last. The crowd cheers as the cars make their way along the parade route, a testament to the enduring allure of these vintage vehicles. It's a fitting end to an unforgettable event, a celebration of the golden age of motoring and the passion that keeps these cars alive. Section 11. Until we meet again. As the last car disappears into the sunset, a sense of melancholy settles over the fairground. The Great Canadian Vintage Car Showcase may be over for another year, but the memories linger. The sights, the sounds, the smells, all etched into the minds of those fortunate enough to attend. This isn't just a car show, it's an experience. It's a chance to step back in time, to relive the golden age of motoring, and to celebrate the passion that keeps these cars alive. Until next year, keep those engines revving and those chrome bumpers shining.